M&D Care's inception came in 2008 when myself and Deb Selden looked at developing services out in the community away from the psychiatric unit. And what we wanted to do was to create something that was much better for people living out in the community. From that, we moved into the flat-led model. We took the understanding of people living in their own environments with their own things around them so that they could have the dignity of a place to live that was their own. Tegfan is one of 3 of our challenging behaviour units, and it has grown in its concept and development since the first day we did it. All the things that we've learnt from our other 2 homes, we've brought them forward and included them into Tegfan.
Tegfan is for people who have had multiple placement failure breakdowns, hospital admissions. We believe that from experience with the services that we've opened in the past, that the flat-led model is the right model for people who have had these multiple placement failure breakdowns. We can come into the services and we provide the effective support that they need in a person-centred way, achieving outcomes for that person.
Tegfan is a brand new state-of-the-art facility. There's nothing else like it in Wales. The building design was designed by Michelle, Adrian, our architect, and myself, and we tried to bespoke it as much as we can to the residents. We needed to create wider corridors, and we need to create larger living spaces, which entailed removing 80% of the structural walls, which was a lot of work, but it was definitely worth it for the product we ended up with. There's a massive amount of soundproofing, which is above and beyond. The fire safety aspect of it we take very seriously, so everything is fire rated. We didn't want to go down the road of commercial lighting because it can be glary and it can be too much. So we specifically picked lighting that would benefit the people living there and not cause a reaction. And we've also integrated sensory lighting into each flat, which can really help them and calm them.
So the staffing structure at Tegfan consists of support workers and senior support workers, and then specialist residential support managers, and then myself as the registered manager, and we have the added benefit of having an on-site PBS team as well. So there are many facilities in Tegfan which enable us to support the people to live as independently as possible. So some of the flats have their own fully working kitchens, some of them have kitchenettes, all dependent on their needs. We also have laundry rooms which enable us to support them completing their own laundries. We also have additional learning kitchens which are designed and developed to enable the people we support to hone in on their skills in cooking and baking and things like that.
Tegfan has had a real positive impact on the local community. It was once a derelict property and now we've turned it into something that is completely bespoke for the people we support. It's created additional living spaces for the most vulnerable within our communities, as well as opening up for more jobs within the local area, which is fantastic.
We put a lot of work into Tegfan. The team have worked really hard in bringing this together. One of the most powerful moments for us is when we see family members, service users coming to visit and having a look at the end development and they're delighted with it. For us, that means the world. It means that all the hard work is worth it, and then it's up to us then to deliver a high quality service over the next coming years to the individuals who reside there, and we're looking forward to delivering on that promise.